Hi everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you the newest way to create videos with AI using VEO3. And the best part is, it's completely free. But here's the exciting part. This method isn't limited to VEO3. You can apply it to any AI tool you want. The idea is simple. Instead of just giving you a fish, I'm going to teach you how to fish. In other words, by the end of this video, you won't just have one quick trick. You'll actually learn a skill you can reuse anytime with any AI software you like. So if you truly want to learn these methods, don't miss this video. And here's a bonus. I'll share all the prompts with you in my Telegram channel. The link is in the description, so you can join, copy the prompts, and start using them right away. To get started, just click the link in the description. It will take you straight to the Youware Ai platform. This is the homepage you'll see when you first log in. Now, an important note. Temporary emails do not work with this AI, but don't worry. By the end of this video, I'll show you a simple trick that lets you use the platform freely without ever worrying about credits or limits. Here's what we'll do. We're going to create an application. As an example, I'll show you how to activate both VEO3 and MidJourney completely free. With this setup, you'll be able to generate images, edit your photos, and even create videos, all right here on the platform. When you sign up with your Gmail account, you'll receive 500 free credits. But remember, I told you not to worry about credits. Later in this video, I'll show you a simple trick that increases your credits to 5,000, 10,000, or even more, so you'll never run out. To begin, click the Create button, and this page will appear. At the bottom, you'll see an option called AI App Generator. Click on it. Now we need to give a command so the platform can start building our application. I've already prepared this command for you, and I'll share it in my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. So I'll just copy the command, paste it here, click the button, and wait while the app starts building. It only takes about 2 minutes to complete this step. First, we'll create a tool that generates images. Then we'll add another tool for photo editing. Finally, we'll build the video creation tool. Let's wait for the app to finish. Great! Our first stage of our application is complete. Now we can start generating images. As you may remember from my previous videos, there are other AI tools that give us access to multiple platforms, but here we're actually building something similar ourselves. This section lets us create images. We can pick different styles, choose the size, and adjust other options too. But before we explore that, let's finish building the rest of our application. To add the photo editing feature, I'll copy the second prompt and paste it here. Then I'll click the button and wait. This will build the editing tool and add it to our application. Step by step, we're building a brand new AI of our own. With this AI, we'll also be able to access MidJourney and VEO3. Later in the video, I'll show you how to add even more AIs like Hailu, Kling AI, or any other platform you want and use them completely free. This step takes about 3 to 4 minutes. Now, the second part, our photo editing tool, has been added successfully. Next, I'll move on to the third prompt. I'll copy it, paste it here, and click the button. Oh, and I forgot to mention, for image generation, we asked it to use Nano Banana. As you can see, that option appears in our settings. For photo editing, we can upload an existing picture and continue working with it. Now with the third prompt, I asked it to integrate VEO3 and MidJourney so we can use them completely free. Right now, it's adding that functionality into our app. Let's wait for it to finish. All right. Our custom application is now ready. And guys, if you've enjoyed the video so far and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give the video a like, and share it with your friends. Your support really means a lot. It helps me keep making content like this. Now take a look. MidJourney and VEO3 have been successfully added. Under the Generate section, we can start creating images. Remember, in the first prompt, I asked the AI to include Nano Banana, and here it is, ready to use. The great thing is that now we can work with VEO3, MidJourney, and Nano Banana, all for free, with amazing quality results. In just a moment, I'll also show you how to add other AI tools. Now let's try it out. I'll copy the next prompt and paste it here. As you can see, we can set the image size. For YouTube, the best option is Landscape 16:9. This section here controls the quality. The platform gives you different presets, but I recommend setting it to Ultra for the best results. With Nano Banana, we can now generate images completely free. Just click Generate Image and the AI creates it for us. Here it is. The image appears in the gallery section at the top. Every image you create is saved there, and you can download them with one click. Look at this result. It turned out amazing. I asked for a professional-looking character in a podcast studio, and the AI delivered with top quality. This kind of output takes your work to the next level. All right, let's move to the video section. Here we see MidJourney at the top. Click it, and we get the video creation settings, ready to use. Next, we have the video builder itself, where we can create videos with VEO3. Inside, you'll find both VEO3 Fast and VEO3 Premium, and you can use either. You can also choose the duration, 3, 5, 7, or 10 seconds. After that, pick the style of your video. For this example, I'll choose cinematic for a more professional look. Finally, adjust the resolution. By default, it's 720p, but you can switch to 1080p if you want higher quality. You can also choose the video size, landscape for YouTube or portrait for TikTok and Instagram Reels. For now, I'll stick to landscape. Now I'll paste my video prompt here and click Generate Video. That's it, no extra steps. Here we go. The first video has been generated with VEO3. Let's make it full screen so you can see. The quality is seriously impressive, especially since it's based exactly on the prompt. With one click, your video is ready to save and use. Back in the Generate section, we can also edit images. The Edit tool lets you upload an image, type in the changes you want, and the AI applies them instantly. There's also the Transform tool, which allows you to reshape your images in different ways. And don't forget the Upscale option. It boosts the resolution of your images. Upload your picture, click Upscale, and you instantly get a much sharper, higher quality result. This step is really important because starting with high-quality images means you'll also produce high-quality videos. Let's try it. I'll upload our image, upscale it, and here it is, done in seconds, saved in the gallery, and ready to download. Now, here are some really important details. All the prompts I've used, Prompt 1, Prompt 2, and Prompt 3, are available in my Telegram channel. The link is in the description so you can copy and follow along easily. For example, in the first prompt, we used Nano Banana to generate free images. In the second, we added the photo editing feature. In the third, we integrated VEO3 and MidJourney. If you want to add another AI, like King AI, just take my third prompt, ask ChatGPT to update it, and paste the new version here. That's it. The new AI will be added to your app. And if you want image to video, simply update the third prompt again to include that feature. ChatGPT will give you the optimized version, and you paste it right into step 3. Now, let's talk about credits. When you sign up with Gmail, you start with 500 credits. To create a video with VEO3, it costs 100 credits each time. But if you don't want to pay for a subscription, here's the trick. Use the Invite Friend option. Each time someone signs up with your referral link, you instantly get 500 free credits. Even better, create a few Gmail accounts for yourself or ask family members to help. 10 accounts equals 5,000 credits, which is the same as a paid subscription but for free. This is so much faster than wasting time with temporary emails. So today, we built our own custom AI app, used it to generate videos, and added tools like VEO3, MidJourney, and Nano Banana. Honestly, this is incredibly powerful. I'll also share all the prompts clearly labeled in my Telegram channel, so you can follow step by step without confusion. Finally, don't forget, you can always add new features later by going into My Projects. Your saved projects and drafts will be right there ready to continue. And the most important part, whatever you need, just ask ChatGPT to generate the right prompt, paste it in, and your app will instantly gain that feature. And that's our final result.